Okay, we've already made some bread. We know how to put the monkey song and the flower song together to create a twinkle bread. Now, do we know how to make the ham inside, or the ice cream inside of our ice cream sandwich, or our strawberry and blueberry sandwich filling, or our river sandwich? The Mississippi is a river sandwich where we just eat parts of the river. Just kidding, we don't have to eat parts of the river, but we do have to learn the middle of our twinkle sandwich. We've got the bread on the bottom, we've got the bread on top. Now there's these two layers in the middle, and they go like this. F, E, oh, I'm sorry. G, F, E, D. And then we do that again. G, F, E, D. We do that 2 times in a row. We do it with every rhythm. G, F, E, D. Again. G, F, E, D. Now let's practice it with every single rhythm. Are you ready for this? Let's get on board. Okay, we're gonna do ukulele hot dog, ukulele hot dog, ukulele hot dog, ukulele hot dog. Third finger G, ready, play. Now F, now E, now D. Third finger G, F now, open E, second finger D. Great job. Now let's do ice cream, cone ice cream, cone ice cream, cone ice cream, cone G, G, ready, go. Now F, now E, now D, third finger G again. Good, now let's do down, pony, up, pony, third finger G, ready, go. Third finger G again. Now F, E now. 2 more rhythms. Mississippi is a river, Mississippi is a river, third finger G, ready, go. Okay, last one. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Which note is the long note? Which note is only played 1 time? You got it. D. We're gonna play G, G, F, F, E, E, D. G, G, F, F, E, E, D. Let's do it. Ready? Third finger G, ready, play. Now, first finger F, open E, 1 long D, second finger with D, G again. Excellent work, everybody. Guess what? Now you know the middle of the sandwich for every single rhythm. I wonder, are you ready to put together the bread, the middle, and the bread again to make a huge, huge menu of all these different sandwiches, every single variation? If you're ready, go on to the next video. And then if you complete that video, you are ready for Twinkle graduation. High five. I'll see you next time.